Hello viewers, and we appreciate you watching. In this video, Mr. Wilbert, Joe, and Trey were sent to help with a load shift on a tractor trailer that had slammed on brakes and its load of lumber shifted forward into its headache rack. They were able to use our forklift to lift 2 bundles off the truck and onto our rollback. They had to hand unload 2 bundles. Then the driver was able to strap his load and get it to our shop, where Trey, Joe, Shane, and Troy, they worked till about 3 in the morning helping the driver get his load back situated and rebanded together so he can make his destination. Hope you enjoy the video.
Step forward, up and forward, up and forward, up and forward, 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 forward. Come on in. Go on in all the way, all you can go. A little bit more. All right, right there. Tilt back, tilt back. I don't think we'll get it. Come on. Tilt back, tilt back, tilt back. There you go. All right, come on out. Come on out. No, don't go up. Don't go up. Come down. All right.
If I would have come straight back and of course buried.
Yeah, but you couldn't go up neither. You would have tilt the other load off. All right, hold on a minute. Let me put that truck another way. And a loose board over there.
What?
And a loose board over there. That one's gonna be hard to get out of there. Go ahead and start loosening these up and re-tie your load, because you're gonna leave them on there.
Okay, I'm gonna try to use what straps I can.
Yeah, I got a couple of straps I brought with me.
Okay.
All right. Might have to just restack them on the forklift. Yeah. Right there. Come. Just stack them on the forklift. Come on. How many wide are they?
Oh. 8 wide.
8 wide?
Yep.
should be 8 there. That's 8 wide right there. Must have been getting it pretty good. He dragged way back there.
He said he come over the hill and there's a semi stop. And there's a car stop in front of that. All right, come on.
I don't know how we're gonna do the other side. We got to be able to pull the truck forward or something.
Easy, Hoss.
Yeah, don't hurt yourself.
Slide so easy. Yeah.
Yeah, you saw how easy they slide that way. Yeah, that was on that stack right there.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's not even treated wood, I don't think. Yellow
Hey,
wood.
catch that wire.
Yellow wood. That's what it is. Hey, got in that little splinter wood over there? Thank you. We need it on this side. Now give us our gap. They're gonna stay. strap.
fall off.
I got the strap right there. You might be able to get right here.
I wouldn't even try it. Once you pick that up, I would just try to ease him straight forward if we could.
Alright. Get the one with the chain, the binder is up under there. I got a small strap. Hold on a minute.
Yeah, I just want something to hold that so it doesn't fall off.
Yeah, I got it. Give me one of them little sticks again. Got one of them little sticks? Hand me one of them little sticks. Pull it all the way to you. All right, that's good. All right. We're gonna bundle that together. What we're gonna do? Oh, yeah. That'll work for that.
Right.
All right. Just back up down the road. You know. Move the forklift over a little bit, and I'm gonna back right back in there so you can pull forward. Bring your forklift on. I'm talking to him. That's good. Leave that lane there open. Huh? Leave that lane open. Up, up. All right, tilt down. Back up a little bit. All right, now tilt down. Tilt down. All right, come on in. Come on in. Come on in. Come up a little bit. Come up a little bit more. Come on. Come on. All right, now come in. Come in. All right. Back, tilt back, tilt back, tilt back. Pick it up. You gotta give it some gas. Tilt back, tilt back. I don't want to bust that board. You know. All right, hold on a minute. Hold what you got. All right. You gotta get in there a little bit more. You gotta get in there a little bit more. All right, set it down. 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 Tilt forward. Tilt forward. Now go in some more. Go in some more. Go, go, all the way up against the board. All right, now tilt back. Tilt back. Tilt back and up. There you go. Come on, get it on up there. Go. Tilt back, tilt back, tilt back, tilt back. Come on, come on. Tilt back, come on. Go up with it. Go ahead. Go. Go up with it. Go up with it. Up, up. All right, up, up, come on. All right, do this here. Try to turn your load this way some. All right. You got to go up some more. Go. Or come back some. Come back some. All right, come on. Come on back. There you go. All right. Turn your... Go on up higher if you can. Go up higher. You got to give it a little gas. That's chill. Chill. Come on up. All right, now start swinging and go that way out. Come on. There you go. Now ease it down to the ground. Ease it down to the ground. Ease it to the ground. Can it get to the side of it? Hold what you got. Tell him back up in the road. I'm gonna pull forward. Back up this way. I'm gonna pull forward. Let's get over this way a little bit. Oh man. My roof. Huh?
Okay, viewers, hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and if you like our content channel, please subscribe. And as always, stay safe out there, and we'll catch you on the next one.